QA, we'll do our localizer. This is performed once a week per ACR guidelines, American College of Radiology. Cue awkward silence. So we try to look, just a quick visual inspection, do we look relatively level in both the sagittal and coronal plane? And it looks pretty decent. We won't know for sure until we actually start scanning some actual slices. So here's another 3-plane loc that we prescribe because it's a little off-centered, as you can tell. So we can couple graphics. Sort of come right to the middle here. And run a good 3-plane localizer. Alright, so here is our well-prescribed 3-plane localizer, off of which we will now position the ACR sagittal localizer. Just so we can see a little bit better. So here, I'll move the slice over. You see the solid black line, that's part of the grid. The shaded, thicker black line is the actual slice, because this is a thick slice, okay? That thin black line, probably zoom it up for you. This thin black line is what you want to position. So we're going to superimpose our slice onto that black line, and if we look at it, we should be covering that line, if we're level, pretty much all the way up. Can everybody see that? Mm-hmm. And we're pretty good there. Okay? And we're going to apply that and run that. That image there will be just like this, but with a little better resolution. So this is the sort of midline sagittal image. And this will also last for a minute. So the sagittal localizer just finished. Here we are, it's a nice crisp, clean image. Now we're going to bring over the ACR T1. We're going to change our viewing mode off of package and simply look at it in the line mode. And when we position this, we want to position it quite strategically. We want the top slice, right here, to go through the apex of this pyramid. If you could visualize it, we're looking sort of at a pyramid, or simply put the middle of the X here. And then we want the bottom slice to go through the center of that there. So as we position, come as close as humanly possible. So we're pretty much in the center there, pretty much in the center there. And when we look at the lines too, we're almost superimposing each of these black lines, which are discs that are located within the phantom. So once we're positioned on those, down just a tiny bit. We can apply it. So routine weekly ACR QA only requires us to do the sagittal localizer, off of which we will take some measurements, as well as the ACR T1, which we'll do multiple evaluations off of. The ACR T2, the site T1, and the site T2 are only required when you're reapplying for ACR accreditation. Alright, so our ACR T1 just finished, and we're just going to scroll through to make sure that there's no significant artifacts that would require us to repeat the imaging. And everything looks good. Okay, so we're done running the ACR QA.